Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickUp Sprints for iterative delivery, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to enable sprints. Click on the settings icon located in the bottom left corner. From the settings menu, select Click Apps. Scroll through the list of Click Apps until you find Sprints. Toggle the switch next to Sprints to enable it. Once enabled, return to your workspace view. Open the desired project or list where you want to implement sprints. Click the Add View button at the top of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Sprint. Name your new sprint view and choose any additional options you prefer, such as filter settings. Click Create View to finalize your new sprint view. Now, you'll see the sprint board appear on your screen. To set up your first sprint, click the plus sprint button at the top right of the board. Enter a name and duration for your sprint. Define the start and end dates according to your planning cycle. Click Create to save the sprint. Next, begin adding tasks to your sprint by clicking the plus Add Task button. You can also drag existing tasks from your backlog into the sprint. Make sure to assign the tasks to the appropriate team members. Set priorities for each task to ensure efficient workflow. Once the tasks are set, start the sprint by clicking on the Start Sprint button. During the sprint, monitor progress by keeping an eye on the sprint board. Utilize the burndown chart to track completed tasks versus remaining tasks. At the end of the sprint, click End Sprint to wrap up. Evaluate the completed tasks and gather feedback from your team. Analyze results to improve processes for the next iteration. Repeat the process to create a new sprint and continue your iterative delivery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.